come over to this site right here. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's called Talent Desire. As you can see, it talks about how it works right here. Explore the jobs, get hired, start work, and start collecting your earnings. And look at these jobs right here. Online proofreading jobs, $10.50 to $37.50 or more per hour. Freelance blogging jobs, $1,500 per month. How about online typing jobs? You can earn $45 to $90 or more per day. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance, it says right here, guys. Or you may be good at typing, but you want to even increase that capability. Well, you can come right over here to this site right here. It's called Ratatype. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's ratatype.com, and you can see that it's free right here. It says, learn to type faster with Ratatype Typing Tutor. Take our typing lessons for free.